Assalamualaikum, dear viewers and learners. I am Gaji Mamun Al Zakir, Assistant Headmaster, Uttar Vitavaria, Nurjahan Memorial High School, Bhandaria, Pirospur. I wish you all are well in COVID circumstances, and I am also fine. Today, I am taking an online class for class 9 English first paper, lesson 4. Today's topic is International Mother Language Day. Please, dear learners, open your EFT page number 35. Now, I am going to read out the text. Please listen carefully. 21st February is observed as Shohid Divas every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. The commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifice of our language martyrs. People wear black badges and go to the Shohid Minar in barefoot processions. Singing morning songs, they place wreaths at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs at Azimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, on 17 November in 1999, proclaimed February 21st as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awarenesses of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Thank you. Dear learners, now I am going to give you a short description about International Mother Language Day. When we are under the rule of Pakistan government, then the Pakistan government declared the Urdu will be the state language of Pakistan, both East and West Pakistan. To hearing this, the East Pakistan people, mainly the students of East Pakistan, don't support it. So, the students and our people of East Pakistan protest and the students of Dhaka University don't support it. They make a movement against this order of Pakistan government. So, the Pakistan government declared on 44 Act. Against this on 44 Act, the students of Dhaka University and our people of Bangladesh declared a movement where they were in front of Dhaka Medical College. The police opened fire. So many people and students martyred, as Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, etc. For this reason, this procession and this revolution spread out all over the country, and the Pakistani government bound to declare Bangla the state language of East Pakistan. By this time in 1952, and 21st February, that was the day. So we got the Bangla, the state language of East Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. Now match the words in the table. First, I read out the column A and column, then column B. Words. Writ. In remembrance of, proclaim, promote, diversity, multilingualism, in recognition of, encourage, in appreciation of, practice of using several languages, and arrangement of flowers in the shape of a circle. Declare, in memory of, variety. So now try to match it. Wreath. Wreath means ফুলের তোড়া, ফুলের তোড়া. So it an arrangement of flowers in the shape of a circle. অর্থাৎ একটি চাকের ভিতরে ফুলকে সুন্দর করে সাজানো. In remembrance of, that means in memory of, অর্থাৎ স্মরণীয় বা স্মরণে রাখার, স্মৃতির যোগ্য. In remembrance of, in memory of. Proclaim, ঘোষণা. That try to find out where. Declare. Proclaim, that is declare, ঘোষণা, declare. এরপরে প্রমোট, উন্নতি সাধন বা উন্নয়ন. তাহলে প্রমোট, এনকারেজ, প্রমোট, এনকারেজ. ডাইভার্সিটি, ভিন্নতা বা পরিবর্তনীয়, ডাইভার্সিটি, দ্যাট ইজ ভ্যারাইটি, ভ্যারাইটি. এরপরে মাল্টি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েলিজম, দ্যাট ইজ প্র্যাকটিস অফ ইউজিং সেভারাল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, অর্থাৎ বহু ভাষা ব্যবহারে চর্চা. ইন রিকগনিশন অফ, দ্যাট ইজ ইন অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স অফ. So I wish you will be able to match this table in your home. Thank you. Dear students, now answer some short questions from your text book. Question number 1. Why is 21st February called Shohid Divas? Why is 21st February called Shohid Divas? Try to answer it and I am going to help you. Because in 21st February in 1952, the students and our people of Bangladesh protest against the Pakistani government, the Act 144 and their decision. The Urdu will be the state language of Pakistan. Against this decision of Pakistan government, the students and our people make a revolution and the police open fire and so many students martyred. So the 21st February called the, for this reason the 21st February called the Shohid Divas. Then second question, why do people go to Shohid Minar? Why do people go to Shohid Minar? The people go to Shohid Minar in every year in 21st February because to convey their honor and respect about the martyrs. Question number 3. Why is 21st February now observed throughout the world every year? Because in 1999 the UNESCO declared the international 21st February as International Mother Language Day. So the every year in 21st February observed as International Mother Language Day. Thank you. Dear students, I hope you understand my topics. Now I will give you a homework. Please write down a short paragraph about International Mother Language Day. Dear students and viewers, I wish you will all stay your home because COVID-19 and coronavirus is very serious in overall the world. You must wear masks and stay home. Pray to Allah for this disease, and everybody will blessed by Allah. Thank you. Thank you.